bàbá olóyin Sẹ̀san Adéwùsì táwọn tọ́lọ́run gbogbo ènìyàn tó bá fẹ́ ròyìn ògidì ọ̀dọ̀ Sẹ̀san Adéwùsì ni.
Good day, Fias. Here you meet me again, Mr. Sẹ̀san Adéwùsì táwọn tọ́lọ́run bàbá olóyin kan bàbá olóyin original. Good day to you. Here you meet me again. Yes, I want to talk about butter. Yes, everybody knows butter. Yes, you can use butter to eat your bread. You can take butter to eat your yam. You can use butter for many other things, but you can use it spiritually. I will tell you how you can use butter. When you hear people say, God has buttered your bread. God has buttered your bread. People just say it. They don't know that it has implication. They don't know that it has spiritual value. It just you can use it spiritually. That's what I can say. Don't forget, I'm the publisher of 50 Ways of Using Honey. Though 50 Ways of Using Honey is now here. It's now only as a medicine. Only as a medicine. Many people are buying this book because of fibroid. How to cure fibroid without operation. How to cure fibroid without operation. It's in this book. Yes, how to cure fibroid without operation. Many people are trying it. They are using it and it's working for them. Manpower is here inside this book. Only as a medicine. Yes. If they pepper you, yes, how you can solve it. It's in this only as a medicine. Only as a medicine book. If your own is hatred, anywhere you go, people don't like you for nothing's sake. Yes, how to remove hatred in your body is in the book. Only as a medicine. Then, I want to tell you again, this is square eggs. For those of you that you are using this eggs for your fibroid, I thank you. Many people are giving testimony that this thing is working for them. It will melt your fibroid. What you will have to eat, honey and this one, with one other thing that doesn't cost you more than 200 naira. You had it to eat, your fibroid will begin to melt. I told some people who are sending messages on WhatsApp that they should come to YouTube to thank me, to give testimony. But it's a pity. Some of them, they are not on email, Gmail. They don't have Gmail. So they cannot comment. They can only see me on YouTube. They couldn't comment. So they were giving testimonies on WhatsApp that Baba, thank you, thank you. Even some parents in Nigeria, they were buying these eggs, preparing the preparation, did the preparation. They were sending it to people in abroad. And those in abroad, they were giving testimony. They were thanking me. I am thanking God. But this book, some people said they don't know what is inside this book. Yes, Agbára Ìwòsàn Oyin. I told you that if somebody is getting staphylococcus, that staphylococcus, when it usually causes low sperm count. Some people, they get low sperm count. Some people get neck. How you can solve the problem is in this book. Agbára Ìwòsàn Oyin. Agbára Ìwòsàn Oyin. Healing Power of Honey is written in English and Yoruba. You will first see the Yoruba version. Then later, when you scroll forward, you will see the English version. English version is there. It is written in English and Yoruba. And I will take the work I want to teach you today from this book. Because some people say they don't know what is inside this book. I will tell you today. Yes, it is how you can use this butter. How you can use this butter. It is inside this book. I will teach you. All the things I am teaching people on YouTube, I have published them inside the book. I have published them inside the book. All the things I'm teaching you, some of them have been published in the book. Like this book now. This book has been published since, let me check the date. This book has been published 5 or 6 years ago. So when I post anything, just don't think that I take it from my head. No, Many people have been using this book. Yes, this book has been written over 6 years ago. Over 6 years ago. This book, 6 years ago. Yes, over 6 or 7 years ago, sir. I've been teaching people on radio before. Then when I will come to YouTube like this, I used to teach people. Not that I don't say, I just read from my head. Because anytime I post something, after a week or two, some people will still come to YouTube to be repeating what I've already posted. I always laugh. I always laugh at those people. Copycat. So if you want to use Quayheads for Fibroid, buy my book, you will see it there. You will see it there. So this is butter. Now coming to this butter. Everybody know it's butter. Any butter, you can buy margarine, you can buy any butter. Yes, once it is butter. We can use sea butter, but this is a modern day. So you have to use butter. When you get this butter, then you will add honey to it. Yes, you will add honey to it. 3 tablespoonfuls of honey, original honey. You take 3 spoons, add it to the butter, mix it together. Yes, mix the honey and the butter together. Then you read. Yes, this is healing power of honey. Agbára ìwòsàn oyin. Go to page 39. Some people are holding this book. They don't watch it. They don't check it. They don't know the value again. Yes, page 39. If you want to reject the evil that the enemies are bringing to you, and at the same time, you want to accept blessing from God. You want to reject evil, and you want to accept blessing. You know, evil things can come through the dream, and blessing can come through the dream. If you want that of blessing from God, you can use butter. Get the butter, mix it with 3 tablespoons of honey, and send the following prayers. God, please teach me how to reject evil in the dream, and teach me how to accept blessing in the dream. It is you, God, that gave David power to claim his right from Saul. Give me power to claim my entitlement. Some people, they have entitlement to claim, but they couldn't get it. This is better for you. You have entitlement, you are here to collect. You have pension to collect. They are asking you to come today, come tomorrow. Some of you, it is the messenger that is doing wickedness for you. They will hide your file. If you do this thing, by special grace of God, it will not happen again. You buy the book, you see the rest prayer there. Yes, when you pray, then you take your bread. You want to eat your bread, you can eat your bread with it. You prepare a yam, you want to eat your yam, you can take it to yam. Once you have read the prayers as I told you, you keep the butter and the honey in your house. Don't need to pray every time again. When you are eating it, the prayer is already there. If you like, you can say it every morning. But once you have mixed it and you have read the prayers according to how I told you, your prayer is answered. Many people are trying it. It's just like the one when I told you that you can use salt and honey, that you lick it every day. Many people are still copycat. They will come on here, they will tell you the same story. Just watch me. Anytime anybody come on here to post something, watch the date I posted my home. Watch the date they posted their home. Most of the things I've already published inside my own book. Honey as a medicine, healing power of honey, solution to woman problems. I told you about this orange. I told you that the skin of the orange, when we had one thing or two to eat, people will locate you. They will find you. Even if you are selling the whole, they will find you. Inú igbó lọsàn wà, ọmọ aráyé ló máa ń lànà lọ bá. Orange trees normally stay in the bush. It is human being that will labor themselves to find it. Igbó lọsàn wà, ọmọ aráyé ló ń lànà lọ bá. You expect this inside my coming book? Yes. How you can use orange peel? When you peel the orange, you will not throw it away again. Sometimes when you drink orange, all the peels, you throw it away. You will not throw it away again. If you know what the value, if you know how you can use it, what you will have to eat. Some people, they are ministers, they are commissioners. People will just introduce them. Not all those people that are commissioner, ministers, that are politicians. Some people are not politicians, but they will locate them. Yes. You will just have one name. This is a professor, was formerly a professor, a lecturer at one university. They will handpick him. Your luck will find you. Expect it in my book coming up in October by God's grace. You will see it in my book coming. I also told you that in the new book, I told you in my last video, you expect it. That my new book that is coming up in October by God's grace, how you can use African sausage tree, Pandoro, how you can use it for breast enlargement. You can do breast enlargement without operation. How our forefather used it. When the girl is about to marry and he happen to get small breast, our people have ways to do it. If you have a small penis, how you can make it to be big? Many people are worrying me. Expect it in African power book that is coming up. This is broom. Ìgbálẹ̀. Our people, they use it. If robbers enter house in the olden days, that person will sweep from morning till night. Yes. Where are they? Our people, they don't follow it again. Those who get it, they are hiding it. I'm telling some people, when our father, when they have account book, when somebody is passing, especially their children or wives, they will close their account book. What do you want? That is what we are facing now. Yes, this book, Yoruba, you should be like this. You know, it's not easy to break into pieces. See, yes, ẹnìpọ̀ mi ìjò ló jọ́ mi ìjò yá Yorùbá ní nǹkan. Yes, bí o bọ̀ ìjà láago 12 yóò bẹ ta ludo nǹkan to 12. See, you can't cut it. Ṣùgbọ́n see this one pieces of broom. See. Yes, this time around, you need cooperation. We need cooperation. Ẹni tó bá lákàntì oògùn ẹ fi hàn ẹnìkejì, ẹ jẹ́ ká sín gbẹ́rẹ́. Àmọ̀tẹ́kùn fúnra ẹ̀ sín gbẹ́rẹ́. Àmọ̀tẹ́kùn ó sín gbẹ́rẹ́ sára. Ẹnu mi kọ́ lẹ́ẹ̀tì gbọ́ báwọn kan ń palẹ̀ oògùn mọ́. Èdùmàrè má jẹ́ ó tẹnu mi jáde. Lágbájá ń palẹ̀ oògùn mọ́. Èdùmàrè má jẹ́ ó tẹnu mi jáde. Don't forget, if you want to buy my honey, you can come to Baba Oloyin bus stop, Yesiota. You can come to Baba Oloyin bus stop, Yesiota. Or you go to my agents. You can go to Mushin, number 4 Alukularo Street. Number 4 Alukularo Street, Mushin. You can go to Oshodi, BS Media Services. Number 6 Everett Way. Number 6 Everett Way. Alasia bus stop. Number 6 Everett Way. Alasia bus stop. Alasia Oshodi. At Surulere, you can see Hajia Fatimat, number 5C, Akerele Street Extension. Opposite Power Holding, Akerele, Surulere. No one at Bariga. Don't go there again. No one. Don't stress yourself to go there. No more on at Bariga. No one there. At Agriculture Igbe, those of you at Ikotun Igbe, From Sele bus stop, you can take Marwa to Agodo Market. Agodo Market. House of number 2, Femi Oshobu Street. Number 2, Femi Oshobu Street. Agodo Market. Number 2, Femi Oshobu Street. Agodo Market. Then those of you that want to buy the book, you are in a far away place. You want to buy the book, you can get it online. We can send the books to you on your email or WhatsApp. If you are on Gmail also, we can send the book to you. Yes, you ask account number, WhatsApp me. If you are in far place, put +234 8054749455. At the bottom of this video, you can see the address correctly. If you want to call me, call 08054749455. Call me, I will reply you. It's easier for me when you send messages, I will reply you because I'm always busy. And I always tell you, it's not polite when customers are with me. Then I begin to take calls on their person. That is why sometimes when you call me, the line will not go. The line will not go. Sometimes I used to be busy like that. So I have to attend to people who come personally to see me from a far place. Yes. Don't forget my new book, African Power, will come up by God's grace. It will be released in October. It will be released in October this year 2020, October 2020, by special grace of God. Don't forget. And before I go, I must thank those people who are giving me money. I always say it. And I say, some people, when they ask for account number, they pay me more than the amount requested for the books. We don't post only. We can't send only. Only is a liquid solid. They don't take it. Post office will reject it. Even some courier services will reject it. That's why I don't send only. If you are within Nigeria, you want me to send the books to you. If you can pay for the courier service, I can send the book to you. If you want to collect it online, don't forget, you can collect it online. I can send the books to you on your WhatsApp or email. After payment, just WhatsApp me. I have paid. This is my email or this is my WhatsApp. The immediately I see it, I will forward your book to you without any delay. Don't forget to subscribe to me. Then watch me on that channel. Kenny Show television. On that channel, you will see many things. Yes. If you have curses on your head, you are in bondage, people are doing wicked things to you. How to escape it? Many people have cursed you before. Check Kenny Show television. Kenny Show, how you can use ashes. How you can use ashes. Or ordinary ashes. How you can use it. It's in that Kenny Show. Just press Kenny Show TV. Kenny Show. You will see it there. See many things there. Kenny Show. Yes. How you can use alligator pepper for protection. Kenny Show television. Watch it. Don't forget my new book, African Power. Will be released in October by the special grace of God. Till next time when you meet me again, remain blessed.
Bàbá olóyin Sẹ̀san Adéwùsì tá ń tọ́lọ́run gbogbo ènìyàn tó bá fẹ́ ròyìn òkìkí ọ̀dọ̀ Sẹ̀san Adéwùsì ni.